at high levels can damage the nervous system and kidneys. Organic mercury is especially harmful to young children since it can easily enter their nervous system and interfere with brain development. It also can pass easily from mother's blood into the developing fetus, causing damage to the brain. Studies are underway to find out causes of other environmental pollutants on human health. Fighting environmental pollution is the duty of all of us for the sake of a healthy life.
Eco-friendly tips. TRT, the Voice of Turkey, is now podcasting. You can view the archive at www.trt.net.tr. This is the Voice of Turkey.
Today's history. On April 4th, 1949, NATO, that aimed to ensure military political stability and prosperity in the North Atlantic region, was established in Washington, D.C. with participation of 12 countries against Eastern Bloc, formed by the Soviet Union after the Second World War and its expansionist policies of these countries. NATO treaty was signed by the United States, Canada, Norway, Denmark, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, Britain, France, Portugal, Iceland, and Italy, and the alliance expanded especially after the Cold War. It has 28 member states today. On April 4th, 1953, a nuclear submarine of Turkish Navy collided with Swedish-flagged cargo ship Novoland while cruising on the surface of Somalia located in Çanakkale. Unfortunately, 81 Turkish soldiers died in the disaster. Only 6 sailors seized on the bridge of the submarine survived by jumping into the water. On April 4th, 1979, Pakistan's former Prime Minister, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, was hanged. Bhutto returned to Pakistan after completing his education at Oxford University in the UK and entered politics. He was appointed as Minister of Commerce and Minister of Foreign Affairs for 2 years. Bhutto came to power alone between 1971 and 1977 and served as Prime Minister of Pakistan during this period. On April 4th, 1997, Turkish politician and military officer Alparslan Turkish died after a heart attack in Ankara. Turkish, who was born in Lefkoşa in Cyprus, joined the army in 1938 after graduating from Kuleli Military Academy. Turkish served in NATO Standing Committee and was appointed as branch manager of NATO Land Forces after he was promoted to colonel. After 1970, he became the Deputy Prime Minister in National Coalition government. Today in history.